So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix Safe Search won't turn off in Microsoft Edge. So first of all, make sure your account is not a part of Microsoft Family Group. If your account is part of a Microsoft Family Group, then your parent or organizer must disable web filtering for your profile. In case if that's not the issue, then make sure your account age is above 18. For this, open the Edge browser on your PC. Now here search for Manage Microsoft Account. Now click on this first option. Now click on Sign In. Now here log in to your Microsoft account. Now here on the left pane click on Your Info. Now here click on your date of birth. Now here change DOB so that you are above 18. Once done, click on Save. And that's it. Now after this, you can turn off Safe Search on Microsoft Edge. So this I can fix Safe Search won't turn off on Microsoft Edge or IE. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.